If you have faith in God, please subscribe to the channel now. Your angels are telling you that someone has not spoken to you. They are extremely hurt and feel completely helpless, mostly because you truly connect with them. When you talk to them, they are really happy. They are incredibly perceptive and wait impatiently to hear your voice. They feel incredibly energized, joyful, and forget all their suffering after speaking with you. And they experience emotional joy. They enjoy talking with you because you inspire so much optimism and excitement. Don't ignore them, since you are making them happy and adding smiles to their faces. You are incredibly special and deserving, and new zeal and excitement are on the way for you. It's a fantastic chance love and your business could experience significant expansion, bringing a lot of positive news. Declare that you are thankful for all the marvels you are experiencing right now. Type Amen to receive instant miracle from God. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel if you believe in God.